Hello, I'm Maria Cristina Rinaudi, chef of the Torri restaurant in Castiglione Faletto. Today I'm going to present some traditional recipes from the Langhe region of Piedmont. Today we're going to prepare stuffed peppers, which are a traditional Piemontese appetizer. The ingredients are unsalted capers, anchovies, oven-baked and peeled peppers, mixed leaf wild salad, hard-boiled eggs, tuna, and some homemade mayonnaise. Put the eggs and the capers on a cutting board with some anchovies and the tuna. And chop them all together. When you're done, put everything in a bowl and mix it together with the mayonnaise. Add the mayonnaise and stir gently, making sure that all of the ingredients are covered well. We'll finish with a touch of pepper. Now let's fill the peppers with the mixture. We'll give them a nice shape with the help of a little bowl. Close the edges. And place it on a plate. Now I'm going to add a bit of mixed wild leaf salad to garnish. Another touch of pepper. A bit of extra virgin olive oil. And finally, a couple of small drops of vinegar. Buon appetito!